So ask the members to join back. I will play the video again. Please inform the members to join quickly. Once again, I will, right from the beginning, I will play the video. Let us end the session by doubt clarification session. So please inform your friends to join quickly. And some are joining at the end of the meeting. I think Muralidhar and Kishore Kumar, I think you are not there right from 1 o'clock. No problem. While clarifying the doubt, no, some questions are going to be asked by your friends to me. So you'll try to know what exactly is this. Please inform the students to join so that I will start the video session. Let me switch on the video now. Participants, G. Naveen, Muralidharan, Kishore Kumar, please respond me in the chat box. Let me switch on the video. I think you ask them to join quickly. So whatever I told you, no, few minutes back, it has been given here in the form of a video presentation. Please understand and you can ask me questions at the end of the video. The theory, whatever we discussed, no, it has been given in the form of a video documentary session. So now are you able to understand the difference between this thing and the brain network system? Whatever I told you, no? So just try to follow it up very closely. So you can ask the question at the end of the video presentation. After that, the meeting will be declared as closed after clarifying the doubts. So these are the connection weights. I told you, no, positional weights. Suppose if I want to process the information into B, that is the hidden layer, I want to get Y output. So the connection weight should be able to accept into the hidden layer, or else it will throw the signal, it will connect the signal. It will not connect the signal to read the final output. So the input as well as the connection weight, both should be uh, exactly meaningful in nature while reading the perfect data. So this is the equation which can be solved by the hidden layer. The value of B can be solved by using this. So this is called as a future recognition. I told you, no, finding the shape of the object, star, triangle, hexagon. Okay, so finding which form it looks like. So for this, we can apply the neural network concept in future recognition system. Just watch it. This process, we call it as a back propagation, adjusting the weight to reduce the error. Suppose if you wrongly predicted the output, so you want to retrain the system again, the model again, okay, to get the correct output data. So let me end the meeting. Before that, you can sort out the questions in the chat box. So up to this, what we discussed now through PPT and also some amount of information in the video, right? So you can ask some basic questions in the chat box. I'm opening the chat box. So you have some basic doubts in artificial neural network, you can post it. For 5 to 10 minutes, we will interact, and then we will move out from the meeting room. You can type the questions in the chat box. And if possible, you try to call the member who have left from the meeting room. Earlier, there are some 12, 13 members now. So for this doubt session, you ask them to join. Okay, so you will interact and then go. You can put the questions, the chat box. Or can you tell me what you understand from this? Can you type your the understanding, what you understood from this concept, your opinion out of this artificial neural network? What is your understanding ability? Just I want to test it. If there is no question, you just write in one simple line what you understand from the presentation, the concept presentation of today's meeting. Anyone can type and post it. Venkat Raghav, Vijay Raj, just type and post it. Gunaseelan, G. Naveen. So, whatever you learn the concept, okay, today, so you try to post your level of understandability. Or if you ask to ask some question, I'm much happier to share my answers to you. If you have questions, you can frame it, or whatever you learned as a feedback, uh, you can just type it in the chat box. And one I've given Gene Away. It shows how artificial neural going to be in future. That was his understanding. Okay. In future, Google car will have this technology. A very good, nice way of capturing my delivery of presentation. Very good. And next, any questions? Kunaseelan, Vijayaraj, Venkatrao, G. Naveen, any questions? If you want to ask, can post that also. Yeah, definitely you can have this kind of technology in Google cars. I think Vijayaraj has given a question already. I forgot to notice that. Yes, in Google car, this kind of thing we can expect in future. Artificial neural network, that is a root detection. Any questions? Venkat Raghav, G. Naveen, Gunaseelan. See, this is the only thing. ANN is the only concept which was generated very old, 1950 itself. There is no other supporting alternate technology, okay, in this platform. You have asked, no, is any neural system technologies are nowadays? No, no. This ANN is a very old platform. There is no other alternate thing came out. In the same thing, there are some modifications, single layer, multi-layer, highly complicated neural network system. That is more than 3 hidden layer will be modeled so that it will be looking so fuzzy in nature to read out the output. With the same technology, there are some modifications. What is your doubt, Mr. G. Naveen? This neural network is inspired, yeah, definitely, from our biological activity of a human brain system. Is Sophia robot has it to understand languages or it is more advanced? Yeah, we can remanipulate this kind of artificial intelligence by using natural language processing. It works on natural language processing technology, NLP, the so-called Sophia robot. The way in which it understand the question asked by the opponent person and ability to think and answer for the question, all these emotional reactions, basic thing are done by this neural networking system only, followed by natural language processing. So any other questions from your side? Any other questions? Shall I wind up? Shall I wind up the meeting? Shall I wind up? Okay. So at least from the next meeting onwards, try to have maximum number of participants. The topic is very new only for you. It is totally new only. Okay, I'm just somehow I'm trying to take some simple examples and correlating. If I say fully in computational language, it won't be much easier to understand. So that only I collected from 3 or 4 real life case studies at the end of the slide, right? So only now one person is joining, Mohan Ram. The meeting is going to end. Please tell them to wind up from the meeting. At least from next turn onwards, please maintain the time management, all the participants. Thank you very much.